He's correct. I'm not Mr. Bean.
What are you? Are you Mr. Bean?
No.
Is that an application? What is that? Ay, parang pareho lang. Charot. It's like, no, I'm kidding. Much better. Where are you from?
I'm from South Africa. And you?
South Africa, okay? I'm from Brazil.
For real?
No, I'm from Philippines.
Oh.
Why you using that mask of Mr. Bean? Yeah.
Just pretty.
No, get back to